Are you tired of spending countless hours trying to find the right tools to grow your YouTube channel? What if I told you that most creators are using the wrong AI software while the game-changing tools remain hidden? Today, I'm revealing 6 essential AI tools that every serious YouTube creator needs. And trust me, after testing hundreds of these programs, these are the ones that actually deliver results. First up is TubeMagic AI, and this one deserves the top spot for good reason. This platform is essentially a Swiss Army knife for YouTube creators, offering everything you need under one subscription. What makes TubeMagic special is its ability to analyze millions of viral videos and use that data to help your content succeed. Let me show you how powerful this is. Their title generator studies successful videos with massive view counts and creates viral-worthy titles based on proven patterns. Instead of guessing what might work, you're using data from videos that already performed incredibly well. The description tool automatically includes high-performing keywords that boost your video's discoverability, while their tag generator ensures your content reaches the right audience. But here's where it gets really interesting. Their Video Ideas tool lets you input any successful channel in your niche, and it generates unlimited content ideas based on what's already working. Imagine never running out of video concepts again. The script generator creates engaging content based on videos with exceptional audience retention rates, meaning your viewers stay engaged longer. The keyword research feature shows you exactly what people are searching for on YouTube, complete with competition scores and search volumes. This isn't guesswork, it's strategic content planning. You can try TubeMagic for an entire week with just $1, making it incredibly accessible for creators at any level. Second is VidAI, a video generation powerhouse that creates YouTube shorts in seconds. What sets VidAI apart is its modern interface and incredible speed. While other video generators look outdated, VidAI feels contemporary and intuitive. You can create faceless shorts by simply selecting a topic like animal facts, choosing a narrator voice, and picking your visual style. The platform offers gameplay backgrounds like Minecraft or aesthetic visuals like hydraulic presses. For a more unique approach, you can select AI-generated images that perfectly match your content. The entire process takes less than 10 seconds once you know what you're doing. VidAI also creates text-based shorts where you input conversations, and it generates engaging chat-style videos automatically. Third is ChatGPT, which most people know but few use effectively for YouTube. The secret lies in script optimization. Instead of just writing content, ask ChatGPT to identify negative connotation words in your scripts and suggest positive alternatives. For example, changing "work hard" to "master this" creates a more inspiring tone that keeps viewers engaged. You can also request helpful analogies that make complex topics easier to understand. When explaining flower selection, ChatGPT might compare it to crafting the perfect playlist for someone's mood. These analogies create mental connections that boost comprehension and retention. Fourth is Midjourney, an AI image generator that creates custom visuals for thumbnails, banners, and video content. Access it through Discord, and you can generate any image imaginable. Want a dog riding a roller coaster? Type the prompt, specify photorealistic style and aspect ratio, and watch 4 variations appear within seconds. For YouTube banners, describe your channel's theme, colors, and text requirements. Midjourney creates professional-looking designs that would cost hundreds from a designer. The upscale and variation features let you refine images until they're perfect. Fifth is Lumalabs, which transforms static images into moving videos. This is revolutionary for historical content or scenarios where no stock footage exists. Upload any Midjourney creation or regular photo, add a prompt describing the desired movement, and Lumalabs generates smooth video animations. This tool eliminates the no footage available problem that plagues many educational channels. Whether you're discussing historical events or abstract concepts, you can create compelling visuals that keep viewers engaged throughout your video. Finally, Canva rounds out our list for creating fully animated content. While many know Canva for basic designs, its AI-powered animation features are game-changing for quiz videos, sports content, and faceless channels. The platform's media library combined with AI narration lets you create professional animated videos without showing your face or using your voice. These 6 tools work synergistically. Use TubeMagic for strategy and optimization, VidAI for rapid content creation, ChatGPT for script refinement, Midjourney for custom visuals, Lumalabs for animation, and Canva for polished presentations. The creators succeeding on YouTube aren't just working harder, they're working smarter with the right tools. While others struggle with outdated methods, you now have access to the exact AI software stack that can transform your channel's growth trajectory and content quality.